This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: an active Office 365 license and sign-in credentials, plus any multi-factor method. Open the Outlook web app or launch the desktop app now. Sign in with your work or school account. Once authenticated, make sure sync settings are allowed and that you accept device prompts. If prompted, enroll your device for security. This first step gets you into the mailbox environment so you can configure preferences and connect other services quickly. Once signed in, customize how mail arrives and displays. Enable or disable focused inbox to prioritize messages, set reading pane and swipe behavior, and create a professional signature. Then link calendars and add aliases or shared mailboxes by selecting account settings. Make sure sync frequency and offline caching match your needs so messages appear when you work offline. Also set mobile push options if you use a phone. These steps ensure reliable delivery and a consistent experience across devices. To finish, validate mailbox rules, folder cleanup, and retention labels so you keep organized mail. Send a test message and accept a calendar invite to confirm send/receive and free/busy visibility. If you added a shared mailbox, verify permissions and open it to confirm access. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, remove and re-add the account, and restart the client. If problems persist, gather error messages and log files, then escalate to IT for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.